Hey there, my friends. Please take a moment to introduce yourself so we get to know each other better. Also, do feel free to connect with me over social media channels like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, anytime throughout this course, if you have any questions or need help, please do not hesitate to contact me. You can post your questions in the Q&A section or send me a direct message and I'll do my best to help you as soon as I can. In this section, I have also included some resources to help you follow along with this course. You will find the course handouts PDF document which you can download and use as a follow along guide throughout this course and as a quick reference document anytime later. You will also find the audio version of this course that you can use to listen to this course on the go. So be sure to download these files and then let's continue further with our course.